Unmanned systems are used in almost every industry today for everything from inspections, surveying, agriculture to advertising, cinematography, and real estate. In recognition of the many benefits these drones can have to society, here at Pasco-Hernando State College, our Unmanned Vehicle Systems Operations program is participating in Drone Safety Day by taking you through a day in the life of an RPIC.
A RPIC, or Remote Pilot in Command, is a person who has a remote pilot certificate with a small UAS rating. In other words, to serve in the official role as remote pilot, you must have taken and passed the FAA Part 107 knowledge test at an approved facility such as airports. I will serve as the RPIC for our operation today. A good safety practice is to fly with a crew.
Since we are conducting a flight test, we can fly under recreational rules, provided our UAS is registered under the recreational category. It's always best to practice how you play. So this operation, we will follow commercial rules.
You'll be acting as the PMTC, the person manipulating the controls. You'll operate the drone under the supervision of the RPIC, which is Zach.
Okay, I'm excited. It'll be my first time to fly a drone, and I certainly will want to follow the rules.
The Visual Observer, or VO, is the person designated by the RPIC to assist the remote pilot in command and the person manipulating the flight controls of the SUAS. This is done to avoid other air traffic or objects that are aloft or on the ground.
To determine if we are able to fly, legally speaking, we must perform a series of checks and balances with our equipment, people, and the environment we intend to operate that aircraft in. These tasks include conducting a site survey, performing an individual FRAT on each of the crew members, and doing a thorough pre-flight inspection of the UAS to ensure it is safe for flight.
No person may operate a civil UAS aircraft system unless it is in a condition for safe operation. Prior to each flight, the remote pilot in command must check the UAS aircraft system to determine it is in a condition for safe operation.
Flight plans record all pertinent information related to operations of the aircraft. This includes a copy of the site survey, estimated departure and arrival times, planned operation altitudes, participants, FRAT, and pre-flight briefings.
Briefings are a means of presenting information to crew members. The pre-flight briefing allows the RPIC to ensure all crew members participating in the flight are familiar with their individual roles and responsibilities. Specific flight parameters, site survey information, and risk assessments are also included. It is the ideal place to put all emergency procedures and talk those over with the crew prior to mission start.
Today's video introduced simple ways to ensure each drone flight is done in a manner safe for everyone involved or in close proximity. Safety is important at all experience levels. It is everyone's responsibility and concern. And as always, don't forget to fly right.